Welcome to A Perfect Place to Start. I have some fun DIYs planned for you today, so let's go on inside and get started. So for this project, we're going to use one of these Dollar Tree houses. This is in the Crafter Square area. It is new this year. I really like these. I've crafted with them a couple times. If you haven't used one, I definitely recommend picking one up. They are longer than they are wider, which is perfect for this sticker set that also came from the Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and position our longest vase in the middle, and then we're going to take the other shorter two vases and put them on either side of the big vase. Definitely just what you would do if you were styling these in a centerpiece idea. We're going to take a couple of the other stickers on the sticker sheet. There are these adorable butterflies that we're going to add to our wood house as well. And then there are some falling petals. We're going to make the blue vase look like the purple flower in the blue vase has some falling petals. This is one of my favorite or the favorite project of the video. Let me know what you guys think about this sticker set, and if you like this project, leave me a flower emoji in the comments. Here is the final project reveal. So we're going to make some bookmarks, and I have quite the bookmark stash. I'm one of those people who loves to collect bookmarks, even though I don't actually read like real books too much anymore. I have a Kindle and a Nook. I like to read digitally, but I love audiobooks because I'm just such a busy person. So when I'm crafting or riding in the car or anything like that, I like to listen to audiobooks. If you're into audiobooks, I have a subscription to Scribd. This is not sponsored, so you can check it out down in my description box, free for 30 days. I've been using it for like 6 years. I absolutely love that service. But we're going to use both of the vases from the sticker sheet, and actually ended up using this entire sticker sheet to make these two bookmarks. I absolutely love how these end up turning out. So once we get our stickers all on our bookmarks, we're going to add 2 holes up at the top to give us some tassels. I'm using my Crop-A-Dile. I love this tool. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down in my description box. You can get it on Amazon. I'm just using some twine that I wrapped around my hand. I'm going to make a little knot here at the top, and then I'm going to use some scissors and just cut those pieces apart so we get a very fun tassel. This is a super easy project. You can make this with kids or grandkids, and then it's customizable to whatever stickers they might find at the Dollar Tree. Let me know what you guys think about these bookmarks. If you love this project, leave me a book emoji in the comments. Hey, guess what? If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get back to it. So for this project, we're going to use one of these wooden boxes from Michael's. It's in their dollar area. I went ahead and removed the twine piece and the sticker. I left the hanger. If you want to remove the hanger, you can definitely do that. We're going to use this antique white acrylic paint. We're going to cover the entire wood piece. I picked up these farmhouse word stickers at Dollar Tree. This one says there's no place like home. We're going to put that right into the middle of the box. I'm just using the foam sticky part that came with the stickers. I'm using some farmhouse ribbon from a Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and tie this into a shoelace bow. We're going to be adding it up to the left-hand corner of our wooden box with some hot glue. And that is it for this project. Super simple. You can customize it to any sticker that you would like in the middle. And I really love how this one turned out. I'm going to use it in a tiered tray. Let me know, where would you use this type of project in your home? So for this project, we're going to make a set of gift tags. I got these gift tags at Hobby Lobby. They're over in the party area. They're usually on an end cap. I've used them several times. I love crafting with them and using them for gifts. They make such fun, customizable gift tags. So we're going to put a sticker on each one of these tags. That shoe sticker is really the reason I bought this sticker set. I just loved how cute that was. Once we get a sticker on each one of our gift tags, we're going to add a bow to each one. Now I changed up the type of bow that I made for each one of the gift tags. I just did a shoelace bow, an awareness bow, I did a messy bow. I just kind of wanted them to all be a little bit different, but to also be uniformed as well. And then that is it for this super cute project idea. Now you have a ton of gift tags that you can use to make customizable gifts. In fact, you could even give them all to the same person throughout the year. That would be super fun as well. Let me know if you ever make customizable gift tags at your house. And here are the final gift tags all together. So one very simple way to use these stickers is just to make cards. So I have these cards that I got at Hobby Lobby. I've had them for a while. They are all different shades of colors, and so I thought that this purple one really complemented this sticker set. Now I have had this sticker set for a long time, not sure what to do with it because I really love this truck. So we're going to make a thank you card out of it. We're going to just go ahead and add our truck here. There is a little like chalkboard sign that says thank you. We're going to add that to the top up by our truck, and that is it for this project. Let me know what you guys think about this one. One other fun way to use these Dollar Tree stickers is to make customizable gift bags. This would be really fun for kids to do for their friends or their moms and dads or grandmas because they can definitely pick out stickers that they think that they like, and then they can decorate the bag for their birthdays or Mother's Day. But this turns out super adorable. Let me know what you think about this idea. If you enjoyed today's video, keep watching this video next, and as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for being here. Bye!